How to change your WHM password. This demo assumes you've already logged into WebHost Manager. Now let's learn how to change our WHM admin password. Click the Account Functions link. Then click Password Modification. Remember that the WHM password is the same as the cPanel password for your main account. In this tutorial, our main account is demoreseller.com, so let's go ahead and change its password. Enter and confirm a new password. Then click Change Password. That's it! We've successfully changed our main password that's used to log into WHM and cPanel for demoreseller.com. Now let's go try and do something else in WHM. Click List Accounts. Since we've just changed the WHM password, we are required to log in again before we are able to do anything else in WHM. Log in with your new password. We are now logged back into WHM. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to change your WHM password.